Computer science labs are probably the best.
My advice for lectures as a final year student.
Benefits. I asked you, look at my boys on the sideline. It's out the way.
For those who don't know me, my name is Sturdy and I'm a
Final year computer science student at the University of Birmingham.
get a first class degree, post every single day.
Are you guys right? Oh, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. I can always tell when somebody recognises me. I've written out my priorities in order. I actually slapped university at the top. I completely forgot about uni. This was one of the first thumbnails I edited. Some people say this doesn't look like me. It's also clickbait. If you guys do want help with content creation, links in the description of this video. My Notion template in my description. I decided to live with 13 flatmates, some of which aren't university students. Never met any of them. Day 2 of my week in the life. Today is Monday. I'm training for my boxing fight. Come with me for my first day of lectures.
This is like insane. Day in the life, yeah? You look nutty, man.
Going to try and bang out 4 weeks of lectures today. I'm being dead serious. As you can see, week 1, I've got to get through all of this. That's cold, man. Trying to film a week in the life. Anything but my project and my uni work, right?
Yeah, anything but that bad.
We're gonna go straight back to work.
Straight back to work.
This is genuinely from the rubbish bin.
It's a very similar concept.
What do you mean YouTube?
Like a content creator sort of.
You create content with food,
Too good to go.
they just throw them anyway.
And how do you know about this? Is it an app or something?
No, it's a secret.
That's
You like
quite
it?
out of date.
Lovely person, giving me enough food. Computer science labs are probably the best spot to get your work done. You get these beautiful, huge monitors. Yeah, Omar and Ahmed, both from Sudan, and I guessed that, right?
Yeah.
Only after 6 attempts.
7. Where are you from ethnically, by the way?
I'm half Ghanaian. Top striker, top shooter, Wayne. Wayne's very much locked in right now.
I'm continuing on my supervisor project from the summer.
Just finished the dissertation meeting.
My advice for lectures as a final year student, predict it first, don't go to them, catch up in your own time, it's more efficient. State your name.
Bar attendance meeting stage 4 last week. Kieran was there and he was late for that as well.
Stage 4 is insane.
He wanted to pay me to do his project for him.
Did
That's
that?
a joke by the way. He's actually definitely starting from it.
This is Nat Mill's plan for today, and then what Club Thursday.
The cherry's coming, I think so is sour.
The cherry's coming?
Yeah.
I thought if the cherry's coming, I'll stick.
The cherry's coming.
Oh, that's funny, that's funny. Cherry, this is for you. This is complicated. I like it. Sylvester, what year are you in? Right, I'm not even doing it. You look good! I was AV.
Mathematical economics and stuff.
How you finding salsa?
We
Do it for the memories, but I do like the cherry. Wayne performed. Wayne, I've never seen such a performance.
It's a dance, bro. I love salsa.
First time. How'd you find it? So I like to get sturdy. Dancing, look at everybody dance, yeah? And then look at my boys on the sideline. Guys, we're here to dance. What on earth we did? Don't stop the conversation. I backed out the camera. So what were you doing? I haven't eaten all day. This is literally my first meal. Oh, I'm good, thank you. Sorry. Yeah. Whatever he said, I'd like to double that. Yes, please.
I double my one, bro.
What was I talking about? Something inspirational.
Guys are gonna be working, studying.
Guys, we working, jugging jobs, free kids.
I'm not getting married.
Benefits. I've got so much food at home. I was given so much for free today. But the times like this, these guys asked me to come out. I'm not going out. Instead, we're gonna have a nice meal.
You didn't ask us.
No, I asked you guys to come out. No one wants to come out with me Thursday, so I guess we're just gonna have this meal instead. Okay, camera's off now, but Wayne, seriously, you still wanna go out? The camera's off, so you can talk honestly. You said you wanted us all to go out,
The camera's off, the camera's off.
I wanted us to go to a poetry event next week, that's what I wanted to do.
Which, what event?
You know that? Yeah, I got a ticket. You trying to go?
What event?
It's like a poetry thing. It's what? I want to say the Tuesday after Valentine's Day.
2:24 a.m. I filmed about 7 videos. I'll show you guys my filming setup. Yeah, pen and paper, anything that you can place your phone behind. I write down a whole bunch of video ideas, conversations that I've had throughout the day. Every year, posting content gets harder and harder as you get more and more responsibility. Once I get to about a minute long and I've said the idea of the video, I'm done. Welcome to day 3.
Sturdy came up, you did a Bangkok bake sale, posted on the story, and hordes of people are coming to the store. They saw your story, they were hoping to see you there. At least 4 big groups came up to us.
You raised £1,000 for charity. Now I'm going to say happy birthday to your friend Maisha.
Oh, you don't know what company this is?
My first YouTube vlog, bro.
Oh, that's so amazing. I'm so happy to be in it. Hi, nice to meet you. It's amazing. It's my pleasure to meet you.
I've meal prepped this. I've also got the remainder of my melon.
Came in thinking, what the hell is this? But got humbled real quick.
Guys, we're at DNA. Just hit a nasty boxing session. It just humbles me, man. We get some B-roll. One aunt literally pulled up, right, for the beginners class. He did not look like a beginner. Pulled up to me, he was like, yeah, you're about my size. He was towering over me, like 6'5". Versus my thumbnail.
Same thumbnail.
Now I'm playing like, which one should I push?
Just banned. Boxing fight coming up to your book in China as well, March. Yeah. We've got Ramadan next week.
How I do my uni work, I've got an earplug, put that in, attach over-ear headphones, play some white noise. I get my phone, put it in this drawer. Today is day 3. I have an hour lecture that's 15 minutes away.
My lecture building and it's put me into lecture mode. In the next few hours.
I've just been clearing storage. Best thing, the Digi Osmo Pocket. This was £500.
I just hopped off the phone with Jaden Hughes.
I'm starting to think that that's your brother. Not only do you look the same, you guys sound the same as well.
Guys, I got into Warwick University. This university is fantastic.
I made it to the University of Warwick. The campus is so sick.
I'm gonna put a picture side by side and it's just you and Deji.
What's good? We're a true student right now.
A stronger academic learning. University. That's not even
That's the agenda right here.
I've done no uni work today. I have a lecture in half an hour. Let me get to lecture.
I thought lecture was now. It's not for another hour.
Have you been to sparring before?
Yeah.
With Jaden?
Not with Jaden. Why Jaden?
No, because brothers, you're twins. If I saw you in a lineup, I wouldn't know who you are.
Always sit at the front. Afo's not here and Afo's top student. And he keeps telling me, bro, you never come to lecture. I was talking to the camera and I was saying, Afo, top student, hasn't arrived yet. This isn't like you, but you pulled up just about 5 minutes late or so.
Yeah.
Your boss keep you late or just traffic? Boss kept you late. Afo, I'm coming now, yeah?
Oh, yo, I like videos, man.
Appreciate that, man. What's your name? Ibby, Kieran, nice to meet you, man. Come on, bro. Wait, you and chemical engineering now? Like I haven't seen you yet. I'm just going to turn the corner, yeah? Act like this is a normal thing for me. We didn't stage that at all, did we?
No.
Just sent the client the video. That took me maybe 3 hours. All yours, bro. Manager Jesse sends me a message. Brief is in, you need to start filming straight away. I'm going to take an hour nap, get to Sainsbury's.
Yeah, I agree. I've already sent a follow-up to our lead that. I'm not losing that lead. He's got the money, he's just scared.
Already sent a follow-up.
It is the final day of my week in the life. When you need to film a brand deal that involves another person, offer to get them food. If not, offer to pay them for their time. If they're asking for unreasonable amounts, that's fine. They may not want to be in the brand deal, just ask somebody else. Influence, the psychology of persuasion, extra virgin olive oil, salt,
Spaghetti bolagnese.
all-purpose seasoning, pepper.
26 minutes. What's your name? You've got 2 minutes to read 2 pages. Screenshot that, throw it into ChatGPT. It gives me the summary of the key points. Literally just read it word for word and just make it look like I'm not reading it. Write down exactly what you're going to say, at least in bullet point format on your notes, and have it read out your pitch to you. You can film a video of you saying your pitch. This is the final day. I hope you guys enjoy. So finally the big day, it's graduation.
Please, anybody in the future. If I kind of came to uni like knowing in first year what I know now.
Thanks to Kieran, actually.
Just find your identity and follow through with your purpose. I had to come back for... My head is so hot right now.
Yes, it is. Are you recording?
You did that. 4 years. You got your family today?
I don't know actually. I think